What is going on, SHIB Army? It is Ahmed and I am back today with yet another video for you guys. You guys see it in front of our faces. The crypto market is recovering, folks. I don't want to get too excited, but I'm excited. I'm finally seeing it, and you guys are too. The green is here, and I'm hoping that it's here to stay. So, what's going on? What are the catalysts? What is happening? Why is everything recovering so quickly? Guys, when they panic, what did we do? We pounced. We pounced. Shiba Inu a little lagging, a little bit behind, but guys, it's getting ready for a breakout. I'm looking at the 30-minute chart here. You can see the green candles. The buying pressure is on. Lots of catalysts coming for Shiba Inu, and to all my SHIB army, the ones who have been patient, guys, I'm hoping our patience is going to be rewarded. All those of can't even talk right now because how excited I am. Those of us who have been patient, red day after red day, red week after red week, from its all-time high, cutting down, 60, 70, 80%. We're finally seeing the recovery, and I think it's here to stay. Some really positive news dropped today in the overall crypto market. You could see double digit across the entire market gains today, especially for Bitcoin. So why is Bitcoin finally triumphing the rest? Why is it doing so much better than the other cryptocurrencies? The question is going to be, well, guess what? The great news dropped. It was up yesterday, but basically today, as of this morning, across all headlines, El Salvador becomes the first country to approve Bitcoin as legal currency. Guys, think about that for a second. The first country in the entire globe to accept Bitcoin as a legal form of currency. They officially approved it. That's from the government. They said, hey, we like what crypto has to offer, specifically Bitcoin, and we want it to be a part of our currency. And now it's going to be legal for all kinds of transactions. This is only the beginning, folks. This is only the beginning. So, of course, the overall market is, quickly picked right back up. Right now, we're looking at a $1.6 trillion market cap. Same for Shiba Inu, right? The buying pressure's on now. And for those of us who have been patient, right, awaiting SHIBASWAP, awaiting the Robinhood listing, all the catalysts that are yet to come, that are going to come, hopefully sooner rather than later, because we know the developers told us for SHIBASWAP that they want to release when the market is back to, returning back on its bull run, basically. For Bitcoin, what I'm kind of assuming, when it approaches 40,000 and exceeds that, we start seeing Shiba Inu and SHIB token also recover, maybe go back to at least 1,000 Satoshi units, maybe 1,200, because right now it's been consolidating for quite some time. If we look at the 1 week chart real quick, let's see here. Let's go to price, and let's just look at the 7-day. Lots of sideways movement, but as you guys can see, notice very closely that it's in the upward direction. Volatility in the upward direction. So again, with all the news coming out, I think it's only the beginning, and I think this might be the last chance, right? Not a financial advisor, nor do I do these videos for financial advice. Rather, I try to put you guys on the place that I am in. So I think this might be the final chance to get in on Shiba Inu before it starts to take off, because the overall crypto market is starting to, it's looking like, based off technical analysis and just looking at the overall charts, it's looking like things are getting ready to break out. Also, second form of good news that dropped, interactive brokers will offer crypto trading by the end of the summer. Guys, if you don't know what interactive brokers is, just a quick Google search for you guys regarding their user base. They serve over 720,000 client brokerage accounts with $170.1 billion in customer equity. $170.1 billion in customer equity. They're traded under the NASDAQ as an S&P 400 component. So this is a big boy. This is, on the same type of territory as Webull, as Robinhood, right? For all of us retail investors, interactive brokers is for those who are maybe a little bit more, not so into risk and not so much into trading, day trading, that kind of thing. But guess what? They have options, stock trading, margin. But the fact is, they're going to start allowing crypto trading on their platform at the end of the summer. So guess what? Between now and then, as long as the overall market continues to do well, guys, yes, the El Salvador news is super big because as them accepting Bitcoin as a legal form of currency, shout out to the president, man. I want to move to this country now, if only I could. But the fact that they're allowing this to happen, this is going to, again, it's basically a spark. That is the first spark when it comes to, the entire global reform of currency. The spark starts in El Salvador. another country, a third, a fourth, a fifth, some of the bigger, Western countries, Europe, United States, Canada, more South American, as more and more and more countries come on board and join, that's when we're going to start seeing these things start to run up. Now, of course, I didn't mention it at the beginning of the video like I typically do, but I always want to present you guys with opportunities. Webull. Get your 2 free stocks valued up to $2,300 if you deposit money into your Webull brokerage account between now and the 17th. So you have 8 more days, guys. The chances of you getting it, you have a 1 in 100 chance. Every 1 in 100 of you who click the link below will be getting Facebook, Procter & Gamble, Starbucks, or Snap, statistically speaking. Or a Google stock, Facebook, Procter & Gamble, Starbucks, Kraft, Heinz, and Snap. 1 in 50 chance to get a free stock from one of these companies. We know Google, what that's worth, $2,000. So if you're one of those lucky few, comment down below if you did get one of those free stocks, because I want you to continue to, encourage others. Because I really like Webull, and one of the petitions right now for Shiba Inu is to get it listed on Webull's brokerage. Also, BlockFi, get your free Bitcoin, folks. Bitcoin is not here to go; it's here to stay. El Salvador is adopting it, and guess what? A lot more countries are going to follow. This is only the beginning before what I think is going to be a pretty big bullish run. Now, up to $250 worth of free Bitcoin on BlockFi when you deposit money into your account. Take advantage of it. Sign up with the link below. And that's what I had for those 2 quick plugs. Now, what am I expecting? Where are we headed? What's next? Shiba Inu. To the SHIB army. For those of us who are truly, truly patient. You guys know, from all-time highs, we've seen this thing come down pretty dang hard. Started at 3,600 Satoshi units, came all the way down. What seemed like maybe the bottom. 6.5, 6.8 Satoshi units. Consolidation, kind of boring for investors. Are we bag holding, right? Those are the kind of questions people are asking. But my answer to you is I don't believe so. In my opinion, for me as an investor, why did I pounce yesterday when the overall market pulled back heavily? Because I knew the recovery was imminent. We're awaiting FUD to get out of the way and positive sentiments to enter. So a country adopting it, not just a city, guys. This is a country. An entire country is accepting Bitcoin and approving it as a form of currency. Think about that and embrace it for a second. The entire crypto market follows Bitcoin's price action, typically speaking. Bitcoin goes on a run, altcoins follow. But guess what? Some of these altcoins are one day going to potentially surpass Bitcoin. People are saying it might be Ethereum, it might be Dogecoin. Hey, it might be Shiba Inu in terms of market cap. So right now, sitting at $2.9 billion market cap, I think this is extremely undervalued, and that's why I invest in it. And that's why I always try to put you guys on the place that I am in. I try to find these different cryptocurrencies or different companies that look like, based off their fundamentals and the potential that they have, are very, very undervalued. And I think, again, for Shiba Inu, this might be the last chance and only the beginning. I don't want to spread too much FOMO, because just like FUD, too much fear of missing out can create this, feeling of, hey, I don't know much about this, but I want to buy into it because this seems like a pretty cool coin. Do your own research and due diligence. Identify whether or not you like Shiba Inu. For me, it's a no-brainer. Go on their website. Simple. Go on their website, shiptoken.com, and then pull up their wolf paper. They're updating it. They're getting a new one. SHIBASWAP is going to be released. The developer said we're just waiting for the market to bounce back up. But click on read our wolf paper and read through it, guys, step by step. I've done it once, I've done it twice, I've done it 3, I've done it 4, 5 times. You can see I've downloaded this 5 times now. And I've looked through it, broke it down, and identified, hey, with the potential that they have with their decentralized exchange that they're making, with SHIBASWAP's utility and the fact that they're going to allow people to bury and dig, so farming for different tokens and different assets, including bone and leash, guys, I think there's going to be some really, really strong potential for Shiba Inu. And that's why I talk about it so much. I don't want people to miss out, right? But I don't want to instill this fear of missing out without you actually getting educated on it yourself. I have a lot of videos now at this point on Shiba Inu, so go back and review those as different timestamps, and you could see the price action was up, some days 30-40% up, and other days we were down 10, 15, 20%. But again, what I'm seeing here right now, according to, again, just looking at the last half hour or so, lots of green candlesticks, and I'm hoping we see breakout. We just need to pass through the 800 Satoshi unit mark, and then hopefully we're going to see this thing continue to run up and hopefully never come back down again as the overall market does recover. Recoveries are imminent, and they're inevitable in terms of companies and cryptocurrencies that have true backing, strong fundamentals, strong foundation, and a lot of people that are part of the community. And Chip Army, you guys know we are part of an amazing community. So thank you so much for tuning in, everybody. And until next time, keep investing.